Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, is a hormonal disorder affecting many women, characterized by irregular menstrual cycles, high levels of androgens, and often multiple small cysts on the ovaries. While homeopathy doesn't offer a direct cure for PCOS, it focuses on balancing the body's natural energy to help manage symptoms effectively and improve quality of life. Here are some commonly used homeopathic remedies and lifestyle tips for PCOS. 1. Homeopathic remedies for PCOS. Each remedy should be taken under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic practitioner who can customize the approach for your specific symptoms. Common remedies include pulsatilla, often used for women with irregular or missed periods. It's typically recommended for women who experience mood swings, have a mild disposition, and feel emotionally sensitive. Sepia, known for treating menstrual irregularities and is particularly helpful for women who experience low energy, irritability, or depression, especially around their menstrual cycles. Calcarea carbonica, recommended for women with obesity and slow metabolism who experience prolonged menstrual cycles and excessive sweating. Lachesis, often prescribed for women who suffer from extreme premenstrual symptoms, bloating, and irritability. Apis mellifica, this is beneficial for ovarian cysts, bloating, and pain. 2. Diet and lifestyle adjustments. In addition to homeopathic treatment, lifestyle modifications can significantly improve symptoms. Balanced diet. Focus on a low glycemic diet with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid refined sugars and processed foods to help regulate insulin levels. Regular exercise. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces insulin resistance, and improves overall hormonal balance. Stress management. Practices like yoga, meditation, or even spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, which in turn may support hormonal health. 3. Other natural supplements. Certain herbal supplements and nutrients may also be beneficial. Spearmint tea, known to help lower testosterone levels and reduce hirsutism, unwanted hair growth. Vitamin D. Many women with PCOS have a deficiency in vitamin D. Sunlight exposure or supplementation can be helpful. Inositol, a vitamin-like substance that can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate menstrual cycles. 4. Consultation with a homeopath. Consulting a qualified homeopath is crucial as they will determine the appropriate remedy, potency, and dosage based on individual needs and symptom presentation. Homeopathic treatment for PCOS can be effective in managing symptoms when used as part of a comprehensive approach including diet, lifestyle changes, and medical guidance.